Question 421. What role does feedback play in your facilitation style, and how do you implement it effectively? Feedback is integral to my facilitation style, as it promotes growth and continuous improvement. I implement structured feedback sessions, allowing team members to share insights on processes and collaboration. I encourage a feed-forward approach, focusing on future improvements rather than past mistakes. Additionally, I model receiving feedback graciously, reinforcing its value. By creating a culture that views feedback as constructive, I enhance team dynamics and ensure that everyone feels empowered to contribute to collective success. Question 422. How do you balance the need for structure in workflows with the flexibility required for creative problem solving? Balancing structure and flexibility involves establishing clear processes while allowing room for adaptation. I implement agile methodologies, which provide a framework for iterative development without stifling creativity. Regular sprint reviews enable us to assess progress and pivot strategies if necessary. I also encourage teams to set aside time for unstructured brainstorming sessions, fostering innovation. This dual approach ensures that while we maintain focus on objectives, we remain adaptable to explore new ideas and solutions. Question 423. In your experience, what are the biggest challenges when integrating new tools into an existing workflow, and how do you overcome them? Integration challenges often stem from resistance to change and a lack of proper training. To overcome this, I involve team members early in the selection process, gathering their input to increase buy-in. I advocate for pilot programs that allow teams to experiment with new tools before full implementation. Additionally, I organize training sessions and create user-friendly documentation to ease the transition. Continuous support and open channels for feedback help address concerns, ensuring a smoother integration process. Question 424. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of a collective work session, and what metrics do you use? Evaluating the effectiveness of a collective work session involves both qualitative and quantitative metrics. I gather feedback through surveys and discussions to assess participant engagement and satisfaction. Quantitative metrics include tracking the number of actionable items generated and their subsequent completion rates. I also monitor team dynamics, observing collaboration levels during sessions. Post-session reviews help identify areas for improvement, ensuring that future sessions are more productive and aligned with team objectives. Question 425. Can you discuss your experience with cloud services and how they enhance collaborative work? My experience with cloud services, like AWS and Azure, has significantly enhanced collaborative work by enabling real-time access to resources and tools. These platforms facilitate asynchronous collaboration, allowing team members to work on shared projects regardless of time zones. Services like Google Workspace enable simultaneous document editing, fostering immediate feedback and iteration. Additionally, cloud services simplify version control and project management, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the latest updates. This fluidity promotes a more dynamic and effective team environment. Question 426. What strategies do you use to ensure that technical documentation remains up to date and accessible for all team members? I implement a living documentation approach, integrating documentation updates into our workflow. This includes assigning documentation responsibilities to team members alongside their development tasks. I advocate for regular reviews during sprint retrospectives to ensure content is relevant. Utilizing collaborative tools like Confluence allows for easy access and editing, promoting a culture where documentation is seen as a shared responsibility. Additionally, I encourage feedback on documentation usability, adjusting formats and structures based on team needs to enhance accessibility. Question 427. How do you keep a team motivated during long-term projects, especially during periods of stagnation? Keeping a team motivated during lengthy projects requires regular engagement and acknowledgement of progress. I break long-term goals into smaller milestones, celebrating achievements along the way. To combat stagnation, I introduce new challenges or rotate responsibilities to reignite interest. Regular check-ins provide opportunities for team members to voice concerns and share ideas, fostering a sense of ownership. I also emphasize the project's impact, reminding the team of the value their work brings, which helps maintain focus and motivation. Question 428. Discuss how you would facilitate a brainstorming session to encourage innovative thinking among team members. To facilitate an effective brainstorming session, I create a structured yet open environment. I start with icebreakers to build rapport, then introduce the challenge clearly. I encourage divergent thinking, allowing for wild ideas without immediate criticism. Utilizing techniques like mind mapping or silent brainstorming can help generate diverse perspectives. I ensure everyone has a chance to contribute, either verbally or through written notes. After gathering ideas, I guide the team through a voting process to identify the most promising concepts for further exploration. Question 429. What is your approach to ensuring alignment between technical teams and business objectives during project planning? Ensuring alignment begins with involving stakeholders from both technical and business sides early in the project planning process. I facilitate workshops that clarify business objectives and translate them into technical requirements. Regular communication ensures that all teams remain informed about changes in business priorities. I advocate for setting measurable KPIs that reflect both technical performance and business outcomes. By fostering a culture of collaboration and shared understanding, I help bridge gaps between technical execution and strategic goals. Question 430. How do you manage the onboarding process for new team members in a collaborative environment? I view onboarding as a critical process for engagement and retention. I develop a structured onboarding plan that includes introductions to team members, tools, and processes. New hires are paired with a mentor for guidance and support. I incorporate hands-on training sessions to familiarize them with collaboration tools and workflows. Regular check-ins during their first few weeks ensure they feel comfortable raising questions. Additionally, I encourage participation in team activities to foster connections and build a sense of belonging within the group. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.